Hey there, fellow seekers of wisdom. I'm Alex, and today we're diving into the world of Stoicism. Not just as a dusty old philosophy, but as a practical toolkit for modern life. Buckle up, because we're about to embark on a journey that could change the way you approach every single day. You know, when I first stumbled upon Stoicism, I thought it was all about suppressing emotions and walking around like some kind of emotionless robot. Boy, was I wrong. It turns out, Stoicism is more like a superpower for navigating life's chaos. Trust me, as someone who's tried every self-help trick in the book, this one's a game changer. So what makes Stoicism different from other philosophies? Well, it's not about theory, it's about daily practice. It's like going to the gym for your mind. You wouldn't expect to get buff by just reading about weightlifting, right? Same goes for Stoicism. It's all about putting these principles into action, day in and day out. Now, let's talk about the modern Stoic challenge. This isn't your grandpa's philosophy class. We're taking ancient wisdom and giving it a 21st century makeover. Think of it as upgrading your mental operating system to handle whatever life throws at you. From work stress to relationship, drama to that guy who cut you off in traffic this morning. First up, we've got Part 1, the Stoic Mindset Foundation. This is where we lay the groundwork for your Stoic journey. It's like building the foundation for a skyscraper. Get this right, and you'll be able to weather any storm. One key aspect of this foundation is understanding cognitive behavioral therapy, or CBT. Now, I know what you're thinking, Alex. I thought we were talking about ancient philosophy, not modern psychology. But here's the kicker. CBT is basically Stoicism in a lab coat. It's all about recognizing how our thoughts shape our emotions and behaviors. The Stoics were onto this centuries ago. Moving on to Part 2. Your daily Stoic toolkit. This is where the rubber meets the road, folks. We're talking practical exercises you can do every single day to flex those Stoic muscles. First up, we've got the morning premeditation. This isn't about predicting the future, it's about preparing for it. Every morning, take a few minutes to imagine potential challenges you might face during the day. It's like mental rehearsal for life's curveballs. Then, at the end of the day, we've got the evening audit. This is your chance to reflect on how you handled the day's challenges. Did you stay true to your principles? Where can you improve? It's like being your own life coach, but without the hefty price tag. And let's not forget the obstacle reframe. This is my personal favorite. Life throws you a lemon, don't just make lemonade. Turn it into a gourmet lemon tart. Now, let's dive into Part 3. Advanced applications. This is where we take our Stoic skills and apply them to specific areas of life. For work stress, Stoicism is like your secret weapon. Imagine being able to stay calm and focused even when your inbox is overflowing and your boss is breathing down your neck. That's the power of Stoic practices. In relationships, Stoicism can be a game changer. It's not about being cold or unfeeling. It's about responding thoughtfully instead of reacting emotionally. Trust me, your significant other will thank you for this one. And for those of you dealing with anxiety, Stoicism offers some powerful tools. It's all about focusing on what you can control and letting go of what you can't. Easier said than done, I know, but with practice, it's like having a superpower against worry. Well, let's get to the really exciting stuff. Part 4. Modern case studies. This is where we see Stoicism in action in today's world. I want to introduce you to the 30-Day Stoic Challenge. It's like a boot camp for your mind. For 30 days, you commit to practicing Stoic principles every single day. I did this myself last year, and let me tell you, it was transformative. By the end, I felt like I could handle anything life threw at me. And believe me, it threw plenty. What does your Stoic future look like? Imagine waking up each day with a sense of purpose and calm. Imagine being able to navigate life's ups and downs with grace and resilience. Imagine being the kind of person others look to for strength and wisdom in tough times. That's the power of Stoicism, my friends. It's not about becoming some emotionless robot. It's about becoming the best version of yourself. It's about living a life of virtue, purpose, and inner peace. Now, I know what some of you might be thinking. Alex, this all sounds great, but how do I actually get started? Well, I've got good news for you. In the description below, you'll find links to resources to help you begin your Stoic journey. We've got book recommendations, daily practice guides, and even a link to join our Stoic community. And here's a challenge for you. Try the morning pre-meditation for just 1 week. Every morning, take 5 minutes to imagine potential challenges you might face that day and how you'll respond to them with Stoic principles. Then come back and let me know in the comments how it went. I bet you'll be surprised at the difference it makes. Remember, Stoicism isn't about perfection. It's about progress. It's about striving to be a little bit better each day. Don't worry if you don't get it right all the time. The important thing is to keep practicing, keep learning, and keep growing. That's it for today's video, folks. If you found this helpful, give it a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe for more practical philosophy and life hacks. And hey, if you know someone who could use a little more calm and focus in their life, share this video with them. You might just change their life. Until next time, stay stoic, stay strong, and remember, the only thing you truly control is how you respond to life. Make it count. See you in the next video.